Have you ever wanted to remove that text that says powered by Shopify that appears at the bottom of your store, but you have no idea how to do it? Well, today's your lucky day. My name is Theee Intro, and I'm going to show you how to remove that very quickly. It's also very easy too. All you got to do is, I'm in my dashboard right now. To see what I'm talking about, you want to click on the eye, which takes you to the store, and at the very bottom, if I was to remove this, you will see in small text, you see your store name, and you see Powered by Shopify. So I want to remove that. So you can remove the store name in your settings, but the Powered by Shopify, it seems like there's no way to remove it, but there is. So how you do it is you want to go back to your dashboard and then click on the word online store. So it brings up these extra options. You want to make sure that themes is highlighted. So when you have Shopify, the Shopify 2.0 framework, or the new framework, I believe, it's called Dawn. That is like the default theme that's there, but this can work for anything. All you got to do is underneath the word actions, click that, and then go to edit languages. Edit languages. Then once you're here, where it says filter items in the search area, you want to type in powered. And then if you go down, look under where it says links, look for Powered by Shopify, and then click on the text box right under there. Next thing you gotta do is hit the space bar one time. That's it. Hit save. So then if you go back, let me refresh the page, remove this, and the Powered by Shopify is gone, just like that. And that's how you remove it. If you wanna bring it back, just go back over here, go to Powered by Shopify, the text area, hit delete one time. You see the Powered by Shopify appear, and then hit save. If I was to refresh the page, it comes back just like that. Boom. So to remove it one more time, make sure powered is in the search area. Look for Powered by Shopify, text box, hit space just one time, save, refresh, gone, just like that. And if you like that and you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button that appears right there. And I got some more videos coming up, so stay tuned for when the next videos are coming. My name is Theee Intro, signing out.